Hi everybody, this is the results video for the 10,000 subscribers video. I'm just doing a quick intro here. I'm just actually filming to now, and I'm just going to flash on basically to the draw, and really probably that's as much as it's going to be. I just wanted to get this out today because it is a little bit delayed. I did hope to have it out about a week ago. So good luck to everybody. And remember, the prizes, well, it's not prizes, the giveaway is the first one is a box, the second one is the Amiga pen, the third one is the Aries pen, and the fourth one is pen blanks. These are to go anywhere around the world wherever is drawn. So good luck everybody, and the results are coming up right now. Hoping that you can all see that okay. So we're going to go down to the video, which is the 10,000 subscribers, and on here I am just going to pick a winner. Okay, I'm going to need to write these down at the same time, so it'll take me just a minute or two to do that. Might cut that bits out for you. So we're going to pick a winner, and the first pick a winner is this for the first prize. Davenport's Handmade, and he's in the UK. So if you get back to me, drop me an email, Facebook, Instagram or whatever, and we can sort out your box for you, because you have won the first prize, which is the box. It can be custom made, or the pinecone box, or any one you wish. Congratulations. Okay, we're going to pick another winner now. This is for the Amiga pen. Lindsay Gardner. Well done, Lindsay. You've got the Amiga pen with a blank of your choice. I think, Lindsay, you're on Facebook. Just get in touch with me through Facebook. Right, we'll go on for the next one. This is for the Aries pen. Linda Cavalier, you've got the Aries pen. Just get in touch with me through Facebook or Instagram. And the last one is for pen blanks. Making it out of the woods. I want to win them all. Claire, congratulations. You've got yourself some pen blanks. Okay, just followed on actually to just do the ending. Congratulations to the four of you. Please do get in touch with me through Facebook or Instagram, and we can get it sorted whatever you want, and we'll get it out to you. And thank you everybody for all the comments. I am still not caught up with the comments yet. I am really trying very hard to give myself time to get those done. I am still trying to do a catch-up, so there will be comments coming up for most of those videos. Thank you very much everybody. We're heading on our way to 11,000 subscribers now. Channel is still doing really well. These current videos that I'm doing, they're maybe not for everybody, but we'll be back to doing more serious projects very soon. So thank you everybody, thank you for all your support, and congratulations to all those that won.